welcome back. I guess it's our first video of 2023. I'm just trying to find roads that don't have some snow on them. Most of my usual get out of hardy quick roads were all closed today, but this stuff is like, it's like kind of on that moderate point where it's like, it's a little slick but not too bad. But yeah, all my usual roads still got a ton of snow on them, but we're just gonna go out and try and make the most of what we can get up to today. I don't think we're gonna be able to get up to altitude too much, but we'll see what happens. I'm also testing out a new microphone that I got. It was a recommendation from Dork on the Road. I had just a cheapo depot kind of Amazon lav mic. This is a kind of moto specific one. Cruise along here and see what we can find. It's currently 2 degrees Celsius at the moment, so just a little over freezing. It was much nicer in town, like 7 degrees when I left, but yeah, what can you do? Heated grips, baby. They're good stuff. Already starting to see some snow on the main line even. This is South Hardy, Maine, just outside of Cole Harbor. Part of the North Island 1000 route, but a road we ride quite a bit. So yeah, there's areas where it's like really hard packed and slippery, and then areas where it's just slush and like ice. So oh god, that's gonna get wet feet in a sec. That was stupid. Kind of slow going on this road today, but just trying to be careful. First kind of dirt I've been on in, geez, 4 or 5 months anyways. I've been on the bike earlier this year, but not on any off-road stuff or logging roads or anything like that. I was gonna go do some single track stuff, but seeing this road and how much snow is still in the woods, I don't even think I would be able to get into the single track area. I do have to be careful because they are hauling on this road right now. Something to always watch for on logging roads is other vehicles. Well, didn't get too far up here. I can make it really slowly, but yeah, if it's not gonna get any better, if this is how it is in the sun here, yeah, I don't think it's gonna be any better further up the trail. Gosh darn it. All right, we'll try somewhere else, I guess. Basically just anywhere where it's been shaded throughout the year, or well, throughout the days recently anyways. There's really kind of hard to see, but it's almost like an iced surface. I haven't crashed on it yet, knock on wood, but comes out of nowhere sometimes. But yeah, not really anything. Oh geez, that was a big bump. Not really anything crazy technical today. I guess just the road conditions themselves are the spice of life. This road was washed out up until really recently, but they fixed it now. Beauty spot. Well, that's fun. My GoPro battery went from 70% to dead. These things. Anyways, I'll stop here and charge for a bit, but good golly, what a view. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Well, I'll charge this thing up. I just want to show you guys the size of this friggin' stump that I just come across. We kind of got up to elevation a little bit here. It's like not real high country or anything like that. Everywhere I go, I just get snowed out almost immediately, but nice little stump here to sit on. That's, I mean, I'm 6 feet. That is probably, I don't know, like 4.5, 5 feet in diameter. Fuck, that's crazy. That's a big tree. There's more of it over here. I'm gonna try poke it up a bit further, but I can't GoPro it, unfortunately. Oh my god, the battery's coming back. It must be getting warm. All right, well, here we are, filthy, disgusting. I'm gonna have to wash the bike tonight. But yeah, beauty day. It's like 7 degrees in the sun, and then it goes down to like 2 degrees or 1 degree in the woods. So it sucks for us, but That is what it is. Alrighty, folks. Well, got some charge in the camera here, so we'll try a bit. This is pretty mucky stuff in here. I just pushed up past where I was saying in the last video there by the stump, but it's snowed in, and I don't mind the mud. The snow is not great. You can tell something big got stuck in here. There's like big heavy gauge cable and stuff like that. It's pretty gnarly. There's that stuff. Woo! Big friggin' thing. Anyways, yeah. Some of the roads are like in almost perfect condition, and then it's almost out of nowhere, like, yeah, you just, you know, they're passable, but it's not, I don't mind the technical challenge, but slogging through like kilometers worth of snow for something that I know is only going to get worse as I get up is not exactly my idea of a good time today. So this road, we've already been down the other way, and I did a bit of filming there, but like, holy jumping, you get going like at a pretty good pace on here, and then all of a sudden you hit a giant patch of snow. It's worse going this way for sure, because I can't see them as well. Whew. That's a brown alert moment every time. Bike starts just going like, whoa, all over the place. I tell you what, it's pretty fun. It's pretty fun getting out in the snow every now and again. This isn't really snow, but it's good practice riding in kind of these conditions where it's like almost like a muddy, silty surface that, you know how that gets when it's wet. It's really slick and slippery, and then you got that combined with almost like ice patches and some really hard stuff. And it really keeps you on your toes in terms of like bike reaction and stuff like that. And really try it. Yeah, see, here's some of the ice right there. Yeah, shit. Really keeps you on your toes. Yeah, it's a great day to be out riding. Woo! Nice mountain in the distance there. That's on the other side of Cole Harbor. I was gonna go poke up there today, but I don't think we're gonna make it. I'm kind of done with riding these roads, as much fun as they are, or kind of getting to the end of useful daylight as well, and it looks like we're getting some more clouds, and I do not want to be out here in the rain. I can tell you that with 100% certainty. If it starts raining, I'm going to be very, very, very cold very, very, very quick. So yeah, we'll head back towards Hardy there. You gotta appreciate the heated grips on days like today. I'm just wearing like merino base layer and a Polaris kind of base, like it's a larger base, so I get the merino in the size that I actually am. And then I have just an extra large set of Polaris unders that kind of goes over my actual fitting base, and it just works out super well. And then I've got my Climb Dakars on, the Adventure GTX, you know, vented gloves with the heated grips, no problem. My one finger for the clutch is a little chilly, but otherwise not too bad. And then I've got a Climb vest on. I think it's a snowmobile vest, but it's like super nice, warm, insulated vest, and it's pretty like thin, you know, it's not a big bulky thing. And then we've got our Climb, what is it, Carlsbad Gore-Tex on. Not even that bad. It's like I said, it's 1.5 degrees right here in this valley, so it's you know, we're getting to the point where if I was on pavement, I probably wouldn't be driving this fast. Anyways, thanks for coming along on this ride today, guys. I know we didn't really get to see much, but it's more of just let's scratch the itch, you know. Not hardcore today, but we found some mud, did a bit of snow stuff. What more can you ask for? We're out riding our bike, a little bit of a shakedown. What a time to be alive. It costs more to do an oil change than put fuel in my truck. Yeah, I tried to go through there earlier, it's not happening. All right, we're almost back to the Cole Harbor Road. I'm gonna head back into Port Hardy. Thanks for hanging out today, guys. Woohoo! Adventure riding at North Island in March. Yeehaw, baby. See you on the next one.